at his best. The favorite, Pearson Fiery and the rough. Early lead is taken by Pearson Fiery, followed by Wind Turbulence on the inside, and moving up on the outside is well. Entry number 3, Headline Chaser. It's Pearson Fiery in the lead by a length, followed by Wind Turbulence in second, and running in third by 4 lengths is well, and Headline Chaser, Extraordinary, moving up in between horses, and Game Chaser on the outside. And at the far turn, there is still Pearson Fiery by a length, followed by Wind Turbulence in second, and closing in third is well, Headline Chaser, and on the outside, Extraordinary and Game Changer. The last bend for home, it is still Pearson Fiery by a length, followed by Wind Turbulence, and moving up on the farther outside is well. At the top of the stretch, it's still Pearson Fiery, followed now by well on the outside. It's Pearson Fiery, well on the outside, well on the outside, and Pearson Fiery. The lead is taken over now by entry number 2, well, and Wind Turbulence moving up on the farther outside. It's well, and Wind Turbulence on the outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's Wind Turbulence, number 2, well, Pearson Fiery, Headline Chaser, Game Changer, and Extraordinary.